It will be amazing.
What are we doing?
It will be amazing.
But what are we going to do?
Explode a volcano!
Exploding volcano in dinosaur. Oh, one dinosaur's poorly. He's fallen over. Are we going to stand him up?
He can't stand up.
Oh dear.
Ha!
There we go. So we've got, what dinosaurs have we got? Do you know?
Triceratops.
Uh-huh.
Bumpersaurus.
Yeah, Bumpersaurus.
Triceratops.
Another Triceratops.
Triceratops.
Another Triceratops.
T-Rex.
And a T-Rex. Wow. Wow. And where's the volcano?
In the middle.
Okay, lovely. In the middle there. Very good. And we've got some crystals in there. Jaime, you're going to pour that very slowly and carefully. Not all of it. Oh my word.
Explosion.
And I'm filming the wrong way round again.
Oh.
There we go.
Oh no. Explosion. Lava.
Wow.
That's
Exploding
lava.
volcano.
That's lava.
That is lava. Wow, those dinosaurs look really scared. Ha-ha. Retreat, retreat, go away, get back.
Right there. Be careful.
Mind your tail. Experiment number 2. Jaime, I would pour a little bit more on, I reckon. Is it? And all of it, a bit more? All of it, maybe?
Whoa. Look at that volcano.
Wow, look at that volcano. All that lava exploding out of the top. Ow, ow, hot, hot.
Well, I love it. Yeah, he does love it.
Is it not too hot for your toes?
No.
Floor is lava. Ah! It must have been too hot. He fell over.
No, it wasn't. I'm just too alright. I just fell over.
It just fell over. Ow, ow. More. What did I say that word is? A volcano when it explodes, it's
Erupting.
erupting. Brilliant.
It's erupting.
Is it still erupting? Wow.
Ow.
Crikey, ow, ow. Ooh, look at those bubbles. The lava's bubbling. What about this Triceratops? Why isn't he very interested? That's it. Let's turn him around.
I'm pitting in the lava.
Might say, mind your toes, mind your toes. And it's still bubbling away, the volcano. Must be so hot.
Let me touch. Yeah.